for so can say we are far better than Akufo-Addo. You would have been better than you would have been better president than Akufo-Addo.
Mr. Kanse.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Kanse.
Yes, sir. In my opening one, my main joining America. You know, the last time we met, you share lift or UPSA.
Oh, okay.
Now me call lecture, so I didn't want to disturb him. Now me child, but yeah, it was just a tete. Then he walked on. I think say a jumana or no. Atamfo de will be pa. Will be. Na yanya nesa. Oh, Yesu ni bu enfua. Kaso de mo. Ome dani ne butu. Nti ya kasa ni se ya yemfa ahoden hyem. Na nokre na ewo ho no.
Yenka.
Ebe boy.
Mate.
Na anope we say amaka chere there. No, there's nothing good about the morning.
There's nothing good about the morning.
Because obiye bone na odwen say edubra say nyoye bone.
Fa Wontumi ne hyase ne enko.
Na unse nipa no enu ne hu keke. Na ombeka no kre. Na ye nyina ye fa nche no. Na obehu say ebi mu di nechi. Say onye hwe. Debi ameka unse fie bi wo a unse wo ya akwala no. Ye di agora bo no eja to fred no so na okofie. Say no him says I'm no coffee now class I born as we are no we are far born me dey na kroboni band you be me aba
no ma me kroboni
obe me aba enye say me ko wi a na man ko wi aba na enye odi a odi ba fi obe nti me ni ke odi rage higher na eni ye ko party e che ball ma ye won be ko fi na center of excellence won na si bi si yo e no di me ko amako kire wo o na me de me ball to na me ko fi me pass
Uko fi ama me bebo.
Omu nyina adwane ko ka che papa ne say fifi adwane bo no shisho papa no e ba e fi na ma me ka che say me de ba sa fi no ma questions am yi ano nti me pesa me problem ma be di mo anum fanta eye ma me fe no nkoda
e ma me ball bia
ball the ball ma fi asa me koboni ba bi sa me ball no wa na de ma me o di fin de bu de ma fa ball nto nche money fanta is okay. My memories of that party in Enkoda, me pass them, and they did so into that's a training. But Oba say, Oche Sankofono would do when they come on now. It's an organized crime. But I can't say or two Yoko no organized crime. No, I'm looking for that person.
I say man.
Yes. That organized crime. And that statement, organized crime. They said it has steps. Departments war Ubia when you rule or play. You were near no didn't sabe boom or far wafa. You are lawyer for Marco can sem na mano. A delay tactics. One after the next step. Or no so you le juma. You are more you be pa na ye de nekono. Or so be kax omo demonstration. So it's an organized crime. Every department be out the obey to frustrate who is coming after the person. And you won't say they are protocol and because say organized crime. It was sacrosanct. It was organized. Bia with your oye, wa wo kukuduro no, wo do sabe bom. Yeah, e be di ochi akokam ra na ma ono so ye wo ho. Enti wo hwe some lawyers bi mu okrom ha, e wo case bi a omo pe. Ono dream ni katasune proye no. Wo ye wi a no abegini mama wo. E na wo tactics obeye say okosa akọ atati tactically no, o attack law na dey wo ekotwiri mo afi o the law na nkasa na ekoko ansa. Ene wo yem ene wo mfe ene wo ni ene wo aso enyina be ye oya at that time intina so that's how organized it is. Now doctor report aba doctor bi so on the pen that table no so obetre se waso na chia ena afi de tito insa asem ni intita ma ye be wie asem no say asem na ngasa da ho ni ye ko political matter say just to distract all the effort of media for no e then ye can early on sa assembly e na bi mu nim say assembly ache as far back as 2024 no na obi aba out with a documentary aye hu ye say forest or ye dwiri negu na say mini onti a video no so na entro ye hu ye nya be mo the report Rastos the report be to abontene e ma CSOs ye tisim anti-corruption CSOs, environmental CSOs. You generate TCM say offer the oye the enye any other report any petitions according president say this is what is on the table. Now time assembly cost no crap no. Now president ababon tin ka beka. I say That's how the president jumped the gun at the time. And they say, oh, I said where they are contaminating for no money bonnet. Now you are na LI BAP say LI 2462 and also be PM sanctioning say obi betimi akọ forest no my day. After defending the act, there was a machinery to bring a law to try and protect that action. And see what CSO the campaign is so sa minister Otiakonyim a hwe environment so etro krata koma sa company say udi e bone president and hwe no one minister no crap your car you na say Captain Smart the kind of otrofo and na me so na me kind na metinye yi a minister na wa appointing in so no ono so no uhwi na asem no egu baby. Then what happened? So there was gross disrespect for the CSOs and the citizens and the religious bodies. Two, the minister of state, the politician, the executive dipana, or no so a cabinet member, no so no, we in SMC in chain. And our Bible say, I can tell my name on yes. And then necessary, and then the Bible say, the state prosecution system, no, as soon as say, yeah, I deal with, yeah, the Beko court, yeah, the court, all legal processes, many lawyer, as you mean, say, Choka, and yes, say, Koyana, kangaroo court. Yebu attain 1 year who cross examine state prosecutors no almost etie wo so onkrofo na no nkrofo a ne edimu akotine pa say nkrofo a akota man ne Wontumi kofo mo ba so mo witness ne crap no omo nsem kam no mu e kire say niam we nyina ya den esiye ye de lawyer ba ko e ma ni pay ono akofa ne lawyer be kasa e ne lawyer ne exit case no yeti de okan or see a Mompire Wontumi. These were some of the indications said, that case, no, maybe a namno. Enkoye, or see we see from. Or see from lawyer Bakwaba. The woman partner said, lawyer and buy no. Case we can say at 3rd July. And so I say, oh no, I fear our band to no special sim. Your man say, uncle, or say, your man break your man up to 20th. Judge in the car send you said on the 13th. I said, we issues be our no. Fabremi one found conswa 20 of the baby asem no e no no decide say obetu kan oni kro yim baby o bia oni ho na yebu atan na obi abegina say it is politically motivated. This is a victory to the CSOs, religious bodies, traditional rulers. A victory? Yeah, it's victory
to the state.
This is victory to the forests. If you believe in human nature.
Wo lawyer na wa kwa asem no mu foforo no wa ba ko su a kire court.
Yes.
And a court ama wo da say e da we fa won krata foforo bra
be kire me
wan fan krata na court yo ada ye bebu ya asem no so wonim say date we na e de ama wo no so watu kwan
okay. The judge and you see the lawyers are officers of the court too. It will boss on any year juma no waka tell boss say o asem we o ma break akra fa de ne bra we wan ma e then na last day obe ka asem no so uni ho intike wa we MDA obesa twen ni bi
na gina wa twen wo obi ya twen
unim de efe Ghana mra no say ya bu aten we no you have the right of appeal say asem na akan nyina no wo ho asem bi kana later crowd affairs awakoda adwen say no manka we ntina ka oni say na ubetimi aba appeal say unti ase na pa say ye ka say akonta company no de o ma edi abro ma di e no offer captain here ensure a that forest nim enua kese he unim ya na we forget about the economic values a forest ya wu no obi betimi aba behwe forest no o behwem keke ehun ni fe ene ni no amoska ye friend tourism or no behwe bi keke say wo forest wo ensure dem fefefe. Egypt, the economy of Egypt nearly collapsed in 2020 because of corona. Besha therefore ya we use kama ya from tourist omo mu de bi na nya na odi dua no kosi o nsuo no so nya na okohwe egu ho nkofo besha o memo skedi Ghana tourism yentimi anya onko awafa etu utu yeso a odi jandam fo na ko gina no e ma hen fo crop o yeso mo be ho no omo so mo gi omo de truancy it was so bad say the case exists, the environment not destroy no omo say omo defend no omo san ko no ka tell say diana esi no diana na bugu ye and ensure no say no na say no people didn't know say ensure no na nkofo ye afu ho Efo nti onkofo so chinam won nsuo no so se won nam a ye be yi wo fie nyina obitimi kɔ nsuo yi so sa nkofo no medwuma asɛ efo mo ye efo nsuo na no nyina no so no omo so medwuma asɛ ena nsuo ni bi omo di dua aduaba ni bi mu krapo no the heavy metals no a mercury ni cyanide no ebi wom nti ye won kola na omo ni nsa enya me na meka enya captain eka wo enkola no wo ho ene ya di fidie ahwe ma hu se saa miama we endane na mudi gu mu no ene prae na oni ya na captain ko fodwin se omo ntin ben saa bebia ensuo no wanti omo ho ato omo ehona otu za adwin no wo form water company be treat nsuo no ubo se brown no ko enso ndade no wo nsuo no mu still the mercury and the cyanide e wo mu na enko echire kwa o se a chekene ni ama na omo ye ho no nsuo no bia no de be yi o. Exactly. Uti Accra. Now Jesus won't water supply and fee wa it comes to you in Accra. Now it won't worry some people in their press conference. Don't bother because they import water. What is that kind of for importing you?
Oh, Abe.
It shows how blind people are. Or because school. They do not go school, say university. Me no wouldn't come onim kra say crofon na omo ko gina omo ye sa press conference na omo ye political figures no e be more important issue and people had predicted about 10 years ago in documents I read na nko fa can say Ghana ya hwe ni yi a e be start ato nsuo ye di agro e so ha na ye duri say nsuo na ene na nsa ukọ western regional you see the beautiful water obi chinam e wo so na dwuma say obi ye fu ono so ntimi nye biom enkola na omba ko se nsuo ni bia ba nom no so no ya sa nom yenyi yawo enkola ni bi ninsa ani NCDs ene country ha Ghana ha yesi non communicable diseases eno ntimi so ntimi enyi fie o obeso anu keke ehun kapa dialysis yetina ha na nkofo 13 ewu ye yenya dialysis we say machines mom nsuo na ewo no eno na ekun ye no ene ese o yaro bebere aba aduane na ye di na sa nsuo we nkofo akogu ma yese no enra na ke esi galamsia na ye wasasi so na nkofo ene echesi omo ene what is nsuo no forest nsuo obu nigu nsuo no tokese a that village no na omo experience flooding that for the first time a flood here me eni ehu ye what is the evidence you are waiting for then part of person who has no who say baby aduane nie na captain say ba no say me can the way forward that me dream say the legal lessons have been learnt and then you say nobody is above the law we are new person obeka say we a Christian in the say and a Muslim in the say no ono so onfa na asem enkoka me de me hu ye ne say obi eye bibi e forest mu hu video so yi kire me e na ya che no ye man kwan so on be defend o ye so no kan judge ne say e da ne ni say ni so ofa we a one year or 5 1 year into Obama 20 years least is 15 years a bro super 25 years also amount 20 years at least when it comes to tampering justice with mercy and now we are first time offender no madrin touch him say sanema no consider amount 20 years no yenko enim bebia mesre pa say yenhwe ho mame recouping the loss because yes I be obi business o obi be ye no achina kotum na osha Ghana political swings na economy kakra na the political party ba power na ya grant no sa mercy no e na 9 months bi aye 1 year nti enye 20 years pepepe what you say nti no so wo ho ansana na the party ba na ya say den abedwi na amano pardon but sa ehunya na onyaye no the phones the cars the houses no and no na me Jeffrey Kasi de bia ehia me. He has we're looting no. Didn't say no looting. He has looted state assets. Yeah. Me no asun we looting. Enti kamera chalote. Kamera say no. Watch or share chalote shoe or share. Ene atare or share nyina. Yeah, oshin wo court ho yen chase. Hey. I like justice to be rolling the way it must roll. Say, you see, it should be a deterrent. Enti na Europe no obi tax 1,000 cedis per $1,000 obuso me a man first $5,000 $5,000 on fear adentra ye person wa tinchen no so hu say when you do same thing until o papa kra obi aye bone no border be we another ba na chere no say wo so
you careful
you steady wa won ye hwe sada no ye dwa we ses ni wi a Yeah, that actually we say wo. Party men you say we last but last we been ti emfa ho. Yen no sana yen ku pisa losses but there should be transparency. Say ye we ni won ho. Ye bu nkonta na yen koyenim. Yen very sure say sa nkofo na omo e de omo sa to omo so ma omo ye say ndwuma we no. Ma yen ja omo nyese omo akwa ebio. The low hanging ones no. The small scale mining now gold board engage all these people under that program. Then you move them and try and engage them to do the right thing at the right time. But at the end which let's say sa tribunals now you say no. My request is say President in fact the say na tribunals no and handle most of these cases. Because say you born one ya bobo nkofo din ye hu omo sites in term no tribunals no omo be handle that case we in President ma sa tribunal we enkoso ma ententem. My last one is say ye nyina ayeti hey we have a duty. Let us police, let us probe, and then let us ensure punishment. Push for the punishment. Because police in here nyina efa into so be kaya abandon that nature when you see something say something. And somebody saw something and said something, and we all followed up with that something, and that something had led to the kingpin. Who said Abanwe, President was say he will be good for the kingpins. This is one. Mr. President, we are not tired of counting. Please go ahead. We want to count 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan kainko, say kainko sana. Ebe boy pa na final and they say Galamsey. It has and it continues to kill our people. Those who have eyes and minds to accept say them no, they are there. Omo obia odidi wom no, captain we there on captain wanya ni obia what said I said deliberately pretending to be sleeping. It will take time. I'm sure on yaneda. Who says wada pa dia ka oye no Listowel no but you know say da no on what said that obono Listowel 100 times or better. The more you try to wake them up, the more they try to sleep. So those who disturb us and defend this rot, the number of times you try to explain to them, say a day we dream way any catastrophe prayer we were a them we dear them no. Oh who da? As I say you didn't say oh who into Captain Bekayo, Jeffrey can list to work you or I am for Bekayo or Muntie da. Ah, na said Nana Asantina can say he was reprimanded chiefs say odim say ebi mu ehun jim na he will make sure say wo obedwa no on franchel. So you think all these people were lying? Doctors, professors, religious leaders omu nyira twantro e say obia a Catholic faith possession Kobe against Galamsey and what just say ye nyina obia wrong mu pen na mu right say Galamsey doesn't happen. Galamsey is in Ghana. It has destroyed enough. This water you drank today, anopa, your old no and no crap heavy metals womb. Science approve into say a pen sadia, yina yimpi, na yankan wasem. Ya board number 1, President Bayantuaso, at least yen best 20 catches for this year alone. Next year near Yako, yen your best 100 about that time, no. Now ye the Sanfa see obi so who shall find no jane. Obi be who shall fast since you no jane. I didn't tell her near ye echo 2 obi ntino. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you. Listo.
Abi, mami fa kunya we suncheti for ni ahwefo. Na membo wabaso ne wahomache sorry na osompa o de so. So why am I kwao?
Oh,
for how many years? Almost 30 years. Of your life. Oh, sorry, how much is
from 2002?
Almost 30 years of your life.
To 2026.
Wow. How many years now?
24, right?
24.
Yeah,
wow,
24 years.
So, still counting. But I am Puppet and I still.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So,
I love radio.
Yeah,
sure.
I know the assurance now, my dear, my uncle, because you still have to be here.
Oh, assurance no home. Remember?
Okay.
Oh, remember better. I know there.
Because I said, we are here, papa. I mean, so. Kapi, Enra yeda many J, papa. Many J see you want to make Wontumi.
Ah,
me cry any J. Na, a idea, me bosse me refi me hanki o me car mu na wo say me bosse na me yi aye me yi nyame aye say at long last asobrache ba ko ho aka say ewi ase say wo bobra oyonko bone say obrapa. You and I know Wontumi way back. He started well, even though Sebi Oye Nipa Obia was into. But to the extent that Obama who kwine na Ubia Yusu. They say Nipa na Yusu na Odinya the opesa wonye biano and what if you what you know by now we did the corn beef wa me wada. Time wa I mean, I've never run away from telling the public what I was. Captain was aware, me MPP ni from the get-go, yeah, the party, any doctor, and everyone knows me to be party ni. But nipa boni ni bedi party anymore. Mummy and Kano Ukrainian say, was a party no, was a mine no. Ada Akufo do beye mampani a yede microphone tua ma no busa me say nipa na wo se ontimi nya mampani wa be mampani wani ewu na me say onu nti na e cho John 10:10 owifo wo ma ade se obewia na wakum na wase no
ha tade wunya
mintimi because no kwa no kan papa na destroy your mind no wa destroy party no wa destroy mu. This is a fine gentleman. Any question can then get ya can and once say a day I Wontumi ko afiase but nipa boni a ode ho abono or yonko boni a sell rapper. And he is not alone. There are several others that must go to jail because of a Akufo-Addo. Or yonko boni sell rapper. Papa penimu a wanyini adru mfie peni ankasa bi nkawo ya hwe wa bra aboso ne yedi atete nkwala. What destroying Kolani in a future by one selfishness, the Obenya die. Akufo-Addo person ye mampani now was because of onu the Obenya die, the Obe Praman Abusia, and your my guarantee. Bibi bia oye bia tia o man fa hudie ne nkoso ni kanko. One district, one factory. It was at the Bonnie, Adrin Bonnie. My example. Agenda 111. Ni nyina ya Adrin Bonnie. One village, one. Oh, you see, obi a wo say Obama nkola free SHS. Obi anim say America na e wo honum na say e friend developed country no. Eye nioma mienu pe. You build infrastructure first, then you put in the system. Yeah. It's a Nigerian Bonnie intino, no pay votes, no all pay a choir or the bed that wofo. Ya o mumma o muntimin to our school fees no. Nanka we are capitalists. Adia was a word trim. First thing they say, Ghana ni nyesika, one ma. Socialists, and no dream was there, or many momun yesika. Until why do you call something social intervention socialist for? Yeah, capitalist for yeah, again say, or mine yesika. Name money nyesika o money nyesika no more money be near the ayo money ye. And until they say private sector is the engine of growth to every economy meboa. Yeah. Ye ko school no sale etete yen. Enti me per capitalism. And until na menya ndisi ni me per capitalist me per say Captain Smart no wa bia djuma no wa fa nipa. Enya aban akobia djuma fa nipa. There be how much can aban do? Because aban bia no wo bibi je se de ne man for de ama no. Eti mane manfo ni nyesika eti wo be pretty fresh HS no eya dream boni na wo trim because who him say awofo no sika no opedi aba ahwe ne ba ade na ma awofo ni nyesika ma awofo ni nyesika no ntua ne ba school fees no fa ne bank kosuku a wo no pe enya se wo de ama ne kwa enti no de opa bia na wa ye enkura no mu ko school no ko universities conduct kohwe lectures no enkura ne brofo MPP brofo ni bi I didn't it. I didn't went. I didn't schooled. These are English and Quranica because you have not fast system bimu anyhow because of Papa Penimu biadin bonia or pay votes keke. John Mahama Tiabonte only unya debate. What's it there? Yes, build the infrastructure before.
I didn't what?
I didn't did it. Now we Akufo-Addo say Papa do co school and or course have school now in Qurana corner be na. Mr. Lecturers name mark your papers. Ubesu. Call the lecturers, interview them. It's appalling.
People had 5, 9.
I go to school. I go school.
9, grade 9.
And so they promote no
5. Yes, all go. Yeah. When is a repeated student? No, you can't repeat.
You can't. You couldn't repeat any student, even no matter how dull or what.
I didn't know who are you repeating.
You're repeating.
Wholesale
promotion.
Sure, now teacher class.
Not because of partisan politics. Papa ni mu bi ani so ade hunu bone adwen bone abe create man into okoton. What this so man no? You say nkula wo nyina bon. Ni ma me feel say wa pass you, but wo de sia no na ne nka brofo. I didn't did it. No be ka kire wo. I didn't did it. O try say ohun ni ti, ohun ni nan. The body of the SN bibia ya tese manya. And so university. Na sa akula said that you be a doctor. Na wo banese also say o ya no de kaka aduro be wo. Na kaka aduro no kochi aduro ya di wa ani a wo se wo se no afifi ani. E say woni se me aka me na he enche na mawu. Eti ma me nya bia de me ya me de be convince obi ama na to aba ma me bia ma me keka. No akeka gum why sell man no what destroy man no kindergarten wo ni akonya tena so was go free SHS na then once foundation abetimi then na dey grass akosi so bibia was very negative was me ma ambulance na watimi asesa ambulances no dey akosi constituency no name ambulances no after the constituency ben na wo man we mu a hospital ambulance ya the hospital na ya the showcase bibi bia no ya politically motivated say menya dia be dad and comfort to win votes, nothing more, nothing else. And you know, so we how for 8 years of the life of Oman Ghana, Nipa bia said that he was talking about this economic crime, organized crime. Oh, they formed a syndicate as of work home. Ahemfo ka ho, imamfo ka ho, and these people nanaya boni ayenka enso so fia ama hinka wie size 7 and yede ye no enso akufo de wo ho no obi na no ka boni ohine nkasa ntia no wono create me command ohine sorry na chia me wo hu se me ba wo hu se kwaku basase ade me ba sorry na chia me ohine yare oti ho ye bo ayi wan sorry eno hwe de osi ka ayi
Greater Accra Minister
te se nantwie kono wo sa wa hene na sorry na kono go ka no. This is what happened and the Kufuado and akole mo de omu pani omu bia enkwala nketenkete hwe sika ye ka ho asem a oma akodi omo. Look, I always have said say Kufuado and his government cannot account for 10% of the monies they accrued between the years 2017 and 2025.
Listowel.
10%, they can't account for it. And until I am John Mahamani na by ya no mo here me bufu. Because wouldn't a dear omodia ya on my way no, I can hear firing squad.
Hey,
yes, sika wo mo ho no, eso che sika o man ni wo. And it's a national security threat. Because they can't account for even 10% of that monies they accrued. They can't. Na boni aye kan wasemi. Eye boni a eye ketua wo de ewo oman ni mu efa MPP aban a etwa mu fie nwotwi ho. Asebe ne ka wontumi de entiam de nyame asese ye na kotum. Wontumi sha ase so to gold wo Ghana ha. Obi ehui. Wontumi na de China for ba Ghana ha. No wate omo kwaya omo nkomu kwaya bone. Even when John Mahama in his first term said no, Nyoma Ekoso no under the able leadership of Inisa Hussein. No mo kwaya no Wontumi ya Nyoma adie nye. And almost say there ye excavator everywhere the kosi wa de beti no akotwa brad no akoje. And excavator no mututu ni engine no. Ana mututu ne pass. Ye tutu pass ade ete no akoto fofra be shem. And almost say ya mo hye no. And o ma order. Eno John Mahama di anada. Odi John Mahama temwa say na John Mahama ma ne kwan e ma ne ntu galamsey. Ena Kufuado nso kwaku basahye ade. O say akwai. The way I watch Mahama bosu ene me so metimi na galamsey business. akonta man no enya Wontumi nko adia Akufo-Addo na akonta no enunti na he quickly came to his defense oba ne wo oba no obi anim but on the onye eboni nti ntimi nka na asem enti akonta na Akufo-Addo na akonta no se waji weni so ye do ko se we Akufo-Addo we se we di ne kon bi fuada obekọ wajojo ne ho Akufo-Addo ohu ne body mu ne widie mu ane ho fe na nimpe na but ne body pa se body ne widie mu ye se wada we bi kran na tonton be me nsa bi ne be kawo because baby na o tie tonton ni o se baby a wakoyi ube free wo be ba no na se 20 something years no yan calculate device 3 minus 1 ebe ka sen fanise be almost 15 years and o komo say I feel we 15 years this year obe ba no we di fe du senu eno kura no ne crime ba ko pe ho asem ne aka ho unim si ato aba wie ye be swear in John Mahama few days to the occasion, the inaugural, unim say Wontumi ko jiska o Cocoa board. Oh, 30 million. Yes. I think it's 50 rather. Cocoa Rose. Some man 30. For no work done. And no you fan kokoto. I don't think I say aye ni no. E do baby a afi neba. I first one. Atedodo. And then Professor me you fit $2 million dollars pe. You didn't jina court. Da 50 something million. You me fan court. Ayeni John Mahama ohun say enkofo we boni om de ayen no eni kwan say enko appoint one attorney general ne one deputy debi e wo say enko di nipa be 30 enko na de aka no because you this can we are who you big pusher easy who was kind enough sika one confront ne one it's enough to build this country because Dubai has used less that money to build Dubai less that money it is sika wo mo no PDS kwasi kakra obetimi de aye ne oma bebre I don't know what of for who ya odi ne ho aka ban na odi akota America yi wonim se waye bone wonim se sika ne se ne to and America for so ko tua be 1 million 2 million and $5 million amtimi ma okra ta akra ma aye permanent a citizen. Yes, sure. And enu bi no call ya ohun say but ohun say no akwa we sika no e got money anya say aka ba na akwa citizen. And until immigration for the Nikosha ice nimua afe a kulu no kakra for some time no. Well, America doesn't want to have a bad name. America kakra no. Donald Trump na ono ye former president. O ma fena court. Akọ na political na afe you see a teacher me what say within 1 month no aye to twa de na so ate. Adwen boni ebe kurati mo tonwum. Enti no eye Wontumi asem na aba na mani age enye se mani age se ye di menu ye kotomo mani age se ya tu obi aso ebe tu obi fu wa ba mu ne because omo wa ba mu ne no omo ye nipa ya manakwa ye se na ho se politician de oye boni ayenka na politicians na so omo men na omo di oman ne boni omo ye boni na ebi ka omo but yesi dimbo entimu a etete wontoma enti dimbo ya bo politicians organ ha ya ene example we aba no ebe mana yese na wo se emfa ho ni nipa ko a wo ye boni a emra ni obedi eno ni mani dia aba mi mu se emra na start ye den ye adwuma emfa ho nipa ko a sabi wo ye de to so biem wo mu a omadwe ye omo se omo do omo ama yokuo eta omo man omo ya mamboyefo meni tumi bia owiase asebio enka yetimi de gu ama yokuo na enka mesere se enka oman ni nyina ne menya adwen na enka yengu MPP yes eya mamboyefo kuo eye nipa bonifo bia omaka omo ho abomu a because yanka omanimu nti no omaye hardened criminals charge ni dia asem ne nura frentim he watertight obi enya ho asem nka omukọ appeal court ombe luzu it's a promise because the judge was very meticulous with the law no what me abegina honom nipa okay speech ni o so ye lawyer ni a ye nyina ye nim so akọ law school me ka tell say MPP lawyer bi enu onim law they only know the judge The reason why they were always fighting Tokonu, say one Samre BM is because omuni Tokonu plan say Krono no magoni nyina no enkosiaga. Enu ti kwan bia so no Tokonu nya CJ, oyes Chief Justice Ogana ha dia. Asem no say on na be ma judge obedi asem no. Etinka asem we Wontumi asem ka kwa na ya bo ato agu. Na this year imagine so because some dey be here Professor Mills. President Kufo ye papa ya de nyina President Kufo wo fra ban mu no. Ekwan ya wo ye court system no. Wo the case akọ court obi anim question say jey ade no obi anim de ekosi ye. Kan ye ntimi kan kese. Obi anim ye public knowledge. Aso ekọ court no asem no hwoti hwoti na ya to agu. Ghana 50 obi ehu ye. Obi ani tua. Obi a tefa kakra obi a DB. So a court of baby. I feel I'm useless because one who say me ya boni a court na de mbekonti ma me pack court no to an extent say bibi bia be koso court ni mu bia no me na mesa control enti me control dia enya dia mekwa afiase wo kura aban wani begu ase enti president mama hu say nyansa say no. E ho se Ghana ni no onya oman no amamu so mfaso Tokonu ne boni e oye ya de ni ko fie no obi aye de chance o but it was to make sure say sanity prevails na Ghana ni no the taxpayers money na wotua no onya so mfaso enu nti ne yanya CJ we a wo no NDC for the asema ko say o ye kwankwo to aba wo pandai chanka NDC na de ne kwotena ho Kenya no nso wa ye panelem bia betimi aboa manatimi a win case no o say NDC mu jamu mu nyam asem mu boa mu di for e kwan kura mo fa so mo file case ma file ni ye tima bo asem na to agu so justice is working now so say wuntimi nya sa na mo friends say dey FC unanimous FC wuntimi nya biem because ajaje fo adwene ye adwuma na judge ben ne wo wiase a intafo kra so ma dwene nko na mutimi baba my judgment say mu de mu nyina nipa 7 nipa 9 mu nyina ma dwene ye baako na ma tro one judgment dia ba obi ntimi nkyere say me de me ne judgment we ha de me ne wo ya adwene ba ha de me ne mo nya adwene na mu ye hefo afi no ma Kufo do no oni certificate no mu ma me ne mu papa abretia musuku fees ama mwanya certificate na fe onu na woni certificate no and control ma remote control ma adwen to the extent say Kufo do aba onya ya o de be ye president ni eni bi ye nim aba o de be ye second president or ye second term ye nim enso eni ye bo aso ye man pani eni ye bo a wa school class certificate no Kufo do na woni certificate na control na adwen enti na bibia ye basa baby aye drui justice system ni ye adwuma John Mahama reset no ama justice system no untimi nya judge na onka say media mekwa akogye demudie because say ka demudie no tina mitutema eye maame na odi asem no because say ka demudie a MPP for will be man papa because ka o mawia no na untumi oka say obetimia na obi oso okoto Chelsea ade na ko timi fa maame ne mfa ne huni oka so ma nya attempt they may have made attempts. But Mamino was in sincere and it's victory for my Ghana. And untameni aji ewo nyame mu se me man no koyie. Ebio, yes I heard from another angle. Baby I want to me I say Samra boy akoduro no. Sika ben ye fa nkoye reclamation no. Why sika? Na sa wo ye MPP ni na we Justin Kodua na we ye omo lawyer yi MPP lawyers yi atana afeno so jao na omo ye press conference ana ba ku Frank Davis we nyina mo ya lawyer fo etimi hu NDC lawyer me bu ne papa because answer na obetimi pass law exams e wo makola because wo makola na MPP fo nkwa na wo ana mo marking scheme no MPP de enko ana NDC de enko so wunyi wanim na so ye MPP ni what bon cry na bi mu nyina lawyers what bon cry be lawyer record you know what can asemi judge make judgment put legal arguments what the emotions say can law you say emotion ka ba na ka bi an kan ma bebre anyem Because you better kill him, the law never take care of no money. How? But my friend,
look at
what you are pranking.
Are you the Listowel I trained?
You are the trainer. So what's the difference?
I am the one who first put this wonderful young man on radio. Men are doing it on radio. So. But as I say,
there be a question to me in Snowria. A question to me in Snowria.
Hey, listen well.
So you look at issues, you know. Sometimes I think, say, Ghana for senior mass. Last time I'm checking the IQ averages of the world. That was in 2023. And I'm beginning say me shade into Ghana for yet me my kwan say Kufuor ye man penny. But I got the answer straight away. Countries 199 and we are say share ya adwen send ye see dwen fa send ye see ye nyoma fa send ye see ye feelings ya tinka nyoma ben ye hia yetimi busa yetimi kasa. Out of 199 countries, no Captain, we were 190th. And we didn't know Kufuor ye man penny no. Yeah, really. Omani didn't Kufuor can never even be a assemblyman or qualify. Because I can penny in the trim. Only to see a pack. Say so ni baby eda. John Hama ba ya kodi 141st. Rwanda baby ano omoda omunya omu present. Me say they have gone past a certain stage astronomical. US of all nations, only 20th. The first three are Asian countries because the reasoning, no, and in the speed of the technology, we are saying, Ama Omadini ye Juma. It won't mean when president to be a NASA be a prime minister be war. These Asian countries, yeah, not doing able to say Kufuor and me see. So bit me to say, me say. Me de o man no agudie se fom enyan to ye ni kosia wo wa na me ma jisika di na ma mo man no 500 million wa bra fi ba ko pesika ye de cover no Dubai crap is in excess of 3 billion dollars. Don't you confirm be yesa no ko fa ni nua so crop tachi amoa no so this say na kwa say tax saving mu. We are my not a 2 man up and something. Me who MPP near me who is a criminal. I don't think I may see me need to me. Come guno. Name of the shooting Ghana for the mom. We a shot. Me talk also say Ghana. Me preach say. Mummy ancho masoda.
So it's South Korea 1, China to Japan 3, Iran 4,
yes,
Australia 5, Russia 6,
yes,
Singapore 7,
yes.
Mongolia 8, New Zealand 9, Vietnam 10,
yes,
Spain 11,
yes.
No wonder so much World Cup,
yes.
Cyprus 12, Canada 13, United Kingdom 14. United Kingdom 14, Sri Lanka 15.
And to who say Sri Lanka 15 no modano. Omo manfo ni hu se mampani e de man ni ase ojimi on twa mu chikofa ni fie afi ni bedroom me sure say ni pant omo ko hwehwe adwene ni ye adwuma on tira ho ma wo mampani saman no wabra ye nyina na e be suffer the consequences of his ill license.
Slovenia 16, Belarus 17, United States Abasuru 2 18.
Oh, beautiful.
Albania.
I said Trump is doing well.
Albania 19, Switzerland 20, Georgia 21, Italy 22, Netherlands 23, Peru 24, Hungary, Corona Obodia se komode 25. The rest
and on and on and on and on.
The rest.
Kufuor ye man penu na Ghana ye 190th. Ye nimnyansa 10 countries in 9 Now we baby ani ye jimi aduru a. Agenti no ye man penny. So you look at these IQ averages and you tell. Eti mesre Sanyoma na mwadwe ye mo say ye tete politics yenko tu futrongu enkola ni yenko tu futrongu sa nyankopon adom fun ye kura ye fun yi se obi asori a na danfo no akwala na nka ne ma me ka chen say he ye de dankwa buzia o eno na edi twa ofuruma ne sa akwala no ene o ma me ntimi mfa sa de ne nko na ni so obe ka chen say ma me de me hunu wa ha no sa dankwa buzia no ye nkwase asem ma me fa ma dwene nwene e wa ha akomodi mi awose dankwa buzia edi ni kura tim say akomdi enye di pa ama boyefo a maka omo ho abom enkruma ni o ma no ye nyina se me kan die ti a eya na eya me yase ma ye MPP ni because se me kan history ni yie na me nyantiase a. And these three words, I don't joke with them: knowledge, wisdom, and at the power, your understanding. You can be wise, but if you don't have understanding, wisdom, and until the Bible say, wisdom no crano. In order I get get understanding. Meboa. And you know, Sanya mami and say a better me adwin atma ye adwuma.
Me Ghana na me hu be be ehye.
Ghana oh kwasie pa e wasie last but 10 ana bibi. Last but 10 ana 9. Ani ehye.
Me do 100 na.
Ani 100 what 100. O be just also 190. O da we 90. O ma hu say adwin adwuma ko me ye free so. Oh, hey. Show 129.
128. 127 in Tanzania.
You know, in Nyansa chain. IQ average is new. In the Kenya way, a good photo fine man penny Ghana. Or fine Mozambique for you in Nyansa chain. Cote d'Ivoire.
Country by country.
Country by country. And these are what you can use to measure. Oh! 91.4.
116 sir.
You were saying?
118. Debbie, you Debbie 110 ni. Namibia Debbie call. Hey, Debbie, you are 120. Cote d'Ivoire. And your mama buy ya buy your papa. Ghana 116.
Your mama. It means we are moving in a positive direction.
This is a first 100. O man wo wi ase a o IQ ni ye adwuma no.
Yanka ho. Wait, me 190 fo. If you about 116 dia do mama nti. Baby, I know you for the 190th.
You see, I saw that work. I didn't have so come, baby. What's it? We need public toilets. We need zoo. We school here. We need clinic. What's the main thing? I want to pay.
I didn't remember. I say, you will meet to Danko Museum. Mini. And then Kurano, Yanko Poadum. Adum ye ne say fu yi na ye kola na danfo enti se wo Justin Kodua kodina na wo say ya famra anya dwuma na de justice na de o kan prof no kra sen so man go ka you didn't did it bia
persecution
travesty of justice
yeah persecution
travesty of justice no what is your counter argument uni a lawyer for who ye lawyer ni lawyer gina unifa lawyer gina bonkum ti mo ba no nka mo nim nyansa nka mo ba no Ghana for dear Maya say, a travesty of justice number 1. Judge the name was saying, yes, say, one yet, and so went to me and carry and emotions. Yes, oh, mammy, I'm out of here into 3 order. When am I now too happy birthday with 3? I mean, some of these things we should reason. Sometimes, look at how Baumia just put himself to public derision. Yeah, your friend is saying, tribunal system. Yeah. I did a mama and penny sign. I didn't know my sign. Titino, tribunal by and then your papa. The two news are not Titino democracy being your papa. And you can see a democracy way. I didn't wear your papa penny. It's painful. Let's grow as human. Then quiet him. But yeah, me bucket ticket, I the best on homework with me yet. me baketwa homework or the bro said that I did when you see any no hey one here just offer phone where we are one cause e be a private toilet now what Google no about how dey we no you saw the near you say oh boy we need e kra dream my door e wo kra PhD what bon tribunal you world tribunal I know then we are seeing now your tribunal and Ghana then who say Africa cross Africa want to and here tribunal and now so unim say wa bokro no wa kwaje asase GPS sika die 2.5 million. Jack, where are you? John Mahama first time me na mo Uber makoma to I didn't na me dey ma comfort me e call obi fie any GPS na wo wie na asa be dan ho bia broni ton ma me a wo nya kronfo uni mo kro no ababo nti no utifie udi choza fi me na kan sabi how it's painful
okay.
Let's grow yeah
okay say
don't stop insulting our intelligence
okay say
but I am say baby owie o tribunal no enjina ho kakra the tribunal na
assalamu alaikum
me obi a last week because I said tribunal de ke me obi a ke se de bia me ti amedwane because military tribunal no na the state house banquet hall no say me yanko kofa obi nti but no cry woman say even under the military tribunal you do be jina tribunal anymore you speak to the issue as normal conclude say the omote ye no anya omode tribunal nye kangaroo court to and am yanko yenim the call against the tribunal is actually a call against the fight against corruption.
Yes.
That call against tribunals is a big call against the fight against corruption.
Excellent.
And anybody, when you hear tribunal now, Captain Mayenko, Article 126 in the Constitution, the one that sets up the Supreme Court and its auxiliary traditional courts, no? And no, tribunal. If you can just click Article 126 now, and it gave birth to the Supreme Court and also the tribunal as well. And then tribunal in your idea of the team say or Jenny and Radio the Constitution itself 126 and tribunals it's a creation of the law. And you'll be no about the team and or Mukodre say your boy a chronunti or say you be before Biba. They be a provisional a war constitution and then who person who judge cases are and so ho na ya kan say e den na ma obi kan say yen san constitution yen kofa ade we me adwuma there are backlog of cases a case bebre o ya share cases bi mo ase a 9 years nie yen wie yen kombra sa 9 years yen wie sa case no and say o ti say obi kan say tribunal no ye di bedi obi bone a na dan tribunal ye be chere party a ye fa nya na religion for a ye fa nya o na tribe for a ye fa nya o dey bi e ba e betina enti tribunal na nkasa no it's a making of the law a constitution mu nkasa 126 utu take abro be the Supreme Court wo no e ho na tribunal no so wo the framework of the law no dream say we should have a Supreme Court or something say ye nya tribunal say o kire bi framework of the law me smart o ye the justices DFA na mu ne niama obe the case ahura we say no ye ni say a ochina lawyer bia na adwemu do pa be ka kire o say okodan ni say enti ye nya say once the Supreme Court and the other courts are actually having their issues you can just create a quick one now also embema emboa akwa say the major hospitals or regions no be say any district hospitals any cheap compounds we see dey bi yemfa equipment na go be region hospital na Kolebumu any 37 na enya the idea of having a cheap compound and na work no because say what are the benefits all those backlog cases you be reducing na you be bulk cases in term the expansion of the justice delivery and the baso say you be sa tribunals na cases bi mo e be che e wo other courts no na ye de akobo in term mama the tribunals are under the same article na ye ka no oba onim kakra corruption cases ye kan kadodo na tribunals bit me handle am na tribunal ye kan enye say ye ba be hwe onim na say o say software ndi judge was at tribunal. It is the same judicial system we have, the same chief justice that will lord over the tribunals. And so in this tribunals papa, and then that means you are telling me that you in this Supreme Court so jumapa, and now the lower court so jumapa. It's a no the tribunals will ensure quick collection. I dare back idea them ban say abra ebebu aten by the time we pass judgment no. Now in Crawford no this cano. And then the aircraft here jubilating. We are jubilating on one side. Any general on one side. As I said, a good year on your fees, mining concession in Muno. So, Ochina or Pieba, it has become a motivation for others who, because also negotiate best 30 years. Obianto Toyota Bakukrana Wato bicycle. I mean, when he enters the field, now bet me I deal with now 20 years. The body 3 months. After some years, the party bar. Or no, they no got G am and the family. What you say, sir, in Cofano Moko, a la Akbar, no, Bob, the bub, no, the bomb bring your call, not your sign, the bush for baby scan. And even a BM one. As I said, you just come at the front and say, or baby, dream, or bomb, sir, or we are a Nicotum. Obenya lawyer so ahwa obe paper na kakra 3 years 2 years na case ni sim sa enti ya nya to abuda we ni am born tentem an go gi ni shoe an go gi watch dan say kwa we nko very important. We should make it so much you see you should pinch hard and shall say we no let's pinch so hard that it will enter flesh so that observers will be worried and tamed obi hu say conform bi hu say sa conform back no those times firing squad me some of us we now understand the entire obedience said let's do firing squad and around the time no when they did the firing squad no my arm will be conform
sanity
if I say obi who say when you enter mo born no public no a pew one gunshot now will be body other we are say you see that's what I'm saying say they should thank their God in another country no under the same democracy. Say who could defend the BBC yeah press conference BC against what a judge through the laws of the states we say Philippines only baby can we a press conference now no you have to tell them why are you challenging the court
even China one former minister Yan and say oye bibi omochini
right
2 people who made the Facebook post China so say one and you see sa Facebook ni niama na o ti America na ade no my own Facebook post o mo tena plane mi fi America be do China na they arrest wo mo for abetment
yes you are aiding and abetting it o for aso say captain catch you say it is organized it is an organized crime
for 13 years
don't be surprised because who say it's an organized system. Yeah, kono mami bi wa besu hwe lady no baka say abanje na chine npa o besu ye no look at the insulting thing we saw say wasan ko gira car on God God told you to do that on God
say akronfo so wonyame nyame otie obi ampa ye kronfo kobo kronos nyankopon mi ko emi encheme enti nyankopon so say kronfo
now just you know go fit do me nothing that is a message if you understand the song that is the message also you know go fit do am nothing
I had a politician in Siadio say show we a politician you show near my baila you careful
thank you nya won hwa
you show near my baila so ko dem na wan che near my baila una be ko jail in them. Yeah. I followed the trend from 1992. Eba. Time I watch Professor Christopher Abiyo Ekumfi. Or Demuche. Won't be quite in one check. Won't be the kind with jail. Professor Christopher Abiyo Ekumfi. Oh.
Excellent observation.
Oh. Yeah. To say, ye nyama ubela. Entema. Jail.
Say
something. Yeah.
What brings about this is mostly, say, persecution.
thorough investigation.
Into what say why now say oh yeah persecute.
Yeah you.
Okay.
Ne kuta mu se twetwe. Boss we dey hete. Na one ye de wo kro no. Look, baby, a Fourth Republic and Econo. What do one say? Can't buy sika. I am sitting here and telling you today, you're careful.
Very, very careful.
Because baby, a Fourth Republic and Econo, 2029 Parliament, one anybody done. I'm telling you, the kind of people I bet
yeah. The heat will be there. It must start from there.
What do you risk?
Ampa, ese konesa. Yeah, obitimi nya akukudro se okofre media. I catch them say, near judge. Now judge no a politician. Who man they be good in this no? Or she look at and this judge no. Prisoner. I dove my heart to her. Or the 1 hour. Or the 1 hour. We really judging
meticulously, step by step.
And if we are lawyer, like you have said. So we are lawyer. I was young woman. You read law, and you reduce the respect for the court, for which you are an officer. Who ye juma we jumani by Ghana's law no. We obia we juma court no. Now be now na judge I can say. I say well the 1 hour. Edi aka now one tia say and the minyo I can ampa.
Yo,
I challenge your integrity as a lawyer.
Me train 2017 the first scandal is here Wontumi. Air contaminated fuel.
Yes. Moving pina.
Pacho. Ebe kwa wie da ben. Hey. Mokai cash for seat scandal.
Yeah.
2018.
Australia Racing Games. Yeah.
Say Kelvin, GVG.
It's about 16. They're there.
PDS.
You're talking about
PDS.
182.
Yeah.
182.
Top liners in 17.
PDS.
Yeah.
Na mo de mo manfo ye wo japade ECG esi ho
40s deal.
Na ye nyina ye boa say ECG ni nye na ye ntimi distribute power obi anya kane a woni fie wo se media me di nyansa bo akwa me wia mo japade na ye ECG no e di akoye mabusu japade na me ne ayonkofo ni ayensu baba afa na ya negotiate ECG na ye toma PDS no percentage say na wo pe na akufa do nua bomti oni ken oforiata ene gabi ni ayensu na omo dwen ho
na captain
mo be fa so omo eja pa dia no appropriate
$21 million.
Oh yes.
Yeah, Thor.
Look at the Thor that is making profit today.
These guys are vampires.
And before John Mahama left Thor for them, Thor was making profit.
So one day,
so when we get to know, say, you these very people, no, muna mo repuye off. I try say a best sanitizer system, no, with the reset agenda. I know Krampo John Mahama so you will become. The snail pace adjudication. The snail pace attorney general and behavior. I know many GM me born baso on a same side. Me born baso. Sa OSP adwuma omo ye mo bi anya bi. Mo nkwa mo ntimi nya.
Ye o ti fa fed me do wani no nye mununkum kata wo so.
Last one be yeah oba ochina na motima discuss ya. Ya onwade bi o MMDA so no. Omo de 22.4 million. E collect 10.3 million. The auditor can support you.
We are Kufado Ibida.
No, tell us.
Or the $100,000.
Their expenditure, tax expenditure, say Omokoje at 22.4 million.
Only 22 million, I got 10 million. Not in a window, I
cry.
And also, Quaco receive funds, UK. Omo £100,000. Or buy no cry 5,700.
You want to say, Japan, do any more, so.